How long will scalp micropigmentation last will depend upon three main factors: the type of ink, the type of scalp, and exposure to sunlight. Inks may last from 3 years up to 8 years, usually lasts 3 to 5 years. Dry scalp tends to shed off layers of upper scalp faster as scales or flakes, and thus SMP fades earlier. On the contrary, oily scalp tends to push away ink faster when SMP ink is deposited and so needs more sessions in the beginning, but once it is done, it tends to retain it. Best retaining is with normal scalp with no disease. Exposure to sunlight. Ultraviolet rays of sun tend to disintegrate ink particles, and so bald scalps with more exposure of sun should use sunscreens, hats, and more sun protection than SMP done on scalps with hair for only densification.